Let's go to a $6 bet. All right, we're in. First spin at 10 cents to 9. Hey guys, we are at Eureka Treasure Train. There's a progressives, and let's see what we can do. $1 knob, $6 bet. Oh, one more Eureka mine. Oh, slot blocker.
Look at all that gold you could have had.
I know, I love gold. You guys know that. When we play these games, I love gold. Alright. $50 on that spin. Plus 5 for the Kings. Come on, baby. 3 of them treasure mines, 6 dynamite. Three more. Okay, never on that one. First row gets those 3 of the dynamite. It never happens, or very seldom, I should say, it happens. Come on, baby. All right, well, rub that back. All right, you want to change the knobs, or you want to stay at $1? Let's go to a $6 bet. All right, we're in. First spin at 10 cents to knob. All right, let's see what happens.
Oh, we got both of the special ones.
Yeah, that means it's going to be a wide screen, double reels. So I have to move back, you guys. Be patient with me.
Are you ready?
Hold on. Yeah. Let's do it.
Dynamite, please.
I'm going to move it back, guys.
Dynamite, please.
Come on, dynamite.
Dynamite, please.
All right, we're major available on top. All right, cool.
Oh, yeah. Dynamite, please.
Minor available on the bottom. Grand available on the top.
Final spin. Can I please get dynamite?
Alright. Cool. So we got grand available and minor available. Come on, minor, come on, grand. Alright. See what happens. Big numbers. Come on, big numbers. There you go, $20. Come on, big numbers. Big numbers. We need big numbers now. Come on, $15. Big numbers. Come on, big numbers. There we go. Come on, let's get bigger than that. There we go, $80. Come on, train. Come on, train. Come on. Oh, okay. Well, it's always a chance to get the grand. It's only $13,000 anyway, which I would take because I've never had one. All right, let's see if we get oh, this is the grand train. Okay. I thought the grand was a minor train. I apologize, you guys. Big numbers. Big numbers. Big numbers. $60. 20. Come on, bigger numbers. Come on. Big numbers. Come on. Give us the grand train. Come on. 50. Come on. Come on, bigger numbers. Come on. Come on, baby. 30. Come on. Keep going. Give us some letters. We can get any progressive on there. If it's going to give it to us. Come on. Come on. Oh, 14. Come on, bigger numbers. Bigger numbers. Come on. Come on. Big numbers. Bigger. Bigger. $25. All right. Come on. train.
Bring the backup train.
Oh, here it comes. Where's it going to be? $1,800 major. Oh, yeah, baby. $2,680. Awesome. Our first hand pay on Eureka Treasure Train. Susan got that one.
2,680. I think that's 2,000.
First time ever on Eureka Treasure Train.
Just did it.
Yeah, I did it. We finally got to see the train after the train. Awesome. $2,902. We'll see what we get in our hand pay. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. We just got our hand pay. Let's see if we can get another bonus.
Hold on.
Oh, look at the gold. Boy, I love that color. $17.50.
It'd need to be nice to give Pat one.
Wouldn't that be something? You never know. Just because it doesn't work or you get a hand pay doesn't mean it won't do it again or won't get you in a bonus. So. All right. Bounce it back and forth a little here.
Okay, we're gonna go 15.
$15
Down
to
to
spin.
400 and then we're done.
We'll go to 400 as Susan says, and we're going to be done. Oh, come on. 3 of the mines would be nice. 6 more of the dynamite would be great. Good line hit. 2 more of those dynamite would have been good.
Just one more is all we're asking. One more spin.
All right, guys. Well, this is the last spin as far as I know. Oh, all right. Well, there's kings for 25. We got a couple more. And last one, and we'll see what happens. Yep, that's it. Okay, that was Eureka Treasure Train. Like and subscribe, please. And we will see you on the next one.